Yahoos, sorry I couldn't be here to hang out with you. I'm at Zermatt on a ski team meeting, but I wanted to show you the mark scheme for the exam. You guys did very well. Hopefully you've gotten your cover sheets back. They're copies of them. I don't trust you with the whole thing, but you'll get them back next time I see you sometime that first week. But I just wanted to show you what the mark scheme looked like so you could be happy about that. So here she goes. This first part's about radicals and then exponent law, geometry and transformations, things like that. One big thing you'll see is that number 32 was one that the numbers got messed up with. There should have been a negative and there wasn't, so you have an X through it. That means that that one was just completely thrown out. So hopefully you don't have to worry about that. There's numbers scrawled over here. You'll see, most of you will see a 2 with a circle. That means the questions that were 2s, 1 and 2, were these. I put them in black. This is just an example. This isn't any of yours. Those are in black, and those are 2 and 2 and 2. So you got the 2. This little circle means you got out of that 1 and 2 category, you got a 2. Great. The next category is the single star, which is a 3-4 category. And I wrote those down sometimes next to them and just sort of made a tally here, and sometimes I just eyeballed. So this is 0 and 2 and 3, and this is a 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just looking through, like, this is 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. So this doesn't seem like it's a solid 4 here, right? Because most of them are ranging between 2 and 4. So I'm likely going to call this a 3, maybe a 3 plus, and then keep going on. So that's circled. So that really means this second piece means in the 3 to 4 range, when I look through these and add them up, what do I see this paper as? And this one I see sort of as a 3, maybe if I'm feeling generous, a 3 plus, not quite a 4. Okay? And then I start looking at the next slot, and that's these black check marks. Mine are color-coded so they're easier to see, but we're looking at this, the 2 star, the 2 star, the 2 star, and those likely you have a little tally list. So here this is a 6, this is a 6, oh, this one's a 4, so this would be like, you'd probably see a little list. 6 for this one, 4 for this one, 6 for this one, 6 for that one, and here's another 6, and here is another 6. Great, so that makes me, so this looks like a 6 to me. Because this was just a 3 and not a solid 4, I might be, you might see like a 6 minus from this one, but it's pretty good. So that's this third circle is for this. And then the last one is the 3 and 4. These are 7s and 8s. These are three stars, so 7 and 8. And so this is a 8 and a 4 and a 4 and a 6 and a 6. So 8 and a 4 and a 4 and a 6 and a 6. And that's pretty good, but it's not enough to bump it up to a 7. It just makes me feel confident that this is a solid 6 and not to like drop it back to a 5. So then you'd probably see another 6 like that circled, and then this with a big 6, and then yay Steve or whatever. Yeah, words of encouragement that I can give you. Cool. So that's the mark scheme for this. I tried to get these turned around fast so they could get back to you. So it's likely there are some errors. If that's the case, circle them, and we'll talk about them next time I see you. You're going to have to bring them back in, and we'll get the exams back in the first week. Cool. Nice semester, guys. We'll keep progressing when I see you next. Be good.